his people about very major subjects. And we thought we'd do it at Camp David. There's probably better security there than any place. We'll be meeting with a lot of people, including generals, as you know, and admirals.
Even if you're not planning to invoke the Insurrection Act, do you still plan to send troops?
Well, we're going to have